big sell signal 5 weeks ago when we closed below 382.73, the 18-month channel bottom, anticipating as a longer-term objective, I'm saying 3 to 5 months, 228.24. On the way down, we'd mentioned that there was a descending channel bottom that could contain initial selling pressures, which is to say on a near to midterm basis. We talked about a possible 3 to 5 week rebound rally, potentially back to 382.73. We've yet to reach that, and in fact, yesterday we closed below this rising 4-week channel bottom at 349.59. So I'm saying right now it's going to be a pretty tough row to hoe for the Tesla market to reach 382.73 given this sell signal. Now, under the scenario of opening back above 349.59, we could see 362.86 by the closing bell, and then certainly closing above 349.59, that head fake, the sell signal, then the rejection after that is almost as valid or almost as reliable a buy signal in the opposite direction. I've seen it a million times before. If we close above 349.59, I would anticipate this narrowing zone of resistance by the end of next week between 375.53 and that 382.73 longer-term channel bottom, where we can top out through the rest of the year, and really is the beginning, as I've been saying, of a narrowing zone of long-term resistance all the way up to 416.03, converging entirely in October, that can contain buying through the rest of the year. And once again, from here we can fall back into the 220s in the months to follow. The downside, because that is the path of least resistance right now, holding below 349.59 today, opening below it, 340.10 is in close and easy reach. If we happen to closing below 340.10, should yield 323.78 over the next 2 to 3 trading days. Now, with Wednesday settlement below 349.59, I consider 328.78 likely by the end of next week anyway. And in fact, it's the settlement below 349.59 that now maintains a retest likely of the 291.81 area. I'm going to call this 2 to 3 weeks, all the way back into the low 290s, where we have a wave count, takes us down to 291.81. There's also a descending channel bottom using the same points that is also at 291.81. This area, a 2 to 3 week target now, could spill into later September, so long as we do not close back above 349.59. So if you are a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you are short now below 349.59, expecting the low 290s again. And inversely, if we close above 349.59, it is go long over the next couple of weeks to 382.73. It's about as simple as that. On the way down, 3 to 5 day swing traders can make use of 323.78 if you're short, and if we close below 323.78, we've got another 1 to 2 weeks before reaching our new 2 to 3 week downside objective in the low 290s. Closing above 349.59, it is reverse and go long. This can happen. And yes, 382.73 likely within a week or two. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com.